So I was just reading about the mssql-python driver for SQL Server, and it's actually designed to connect directly without any external managers.
Wait, seriously, that sounds super convenient. What does that mean for developers?
Well, it means they can manage connections and execute queries more easily. It's fully compliant with the DB API2 spec.
That's interesting. But I wonder, does that mean it's limited to only Microsoft products?
Not at all, it provides a standardized interface, so it's versatile for other database systems as well.
Okay, but are there any performance downsides? I mean, how does it handle connection management?
Good point, it actually includes built-in connection pooling, improving performance by reusing existing connections.
That definitely sounds efficient. Are there specific platforms it's compatible with?
Yes, it supports Windows, macOS, and various Linux distributions, but not ARM for SUSE Linux.
I see. So how do they ensure security in the connection? I can imagine that's a big concern.
Right, they support Microsoft Entra ID authentication, which includes multiple methods like username and password.
That covers a lot of ground. But I've read that Entra ID has its limitations on Mac OS Linux. Any thoughts on that?
True, it's not fully featured on all platforms. For instance, integrated Windows authentication only works on Windows.
That's a bummer. But does it allow for any sort of interactive authentication?
Yes, it does support interactive login via browser or device code flow for environments without browser access.
So that's pretty flexible overall. But how about usability? Any Python enhancements to make it easier?
Definitely, it has enhancements that streamline query execution and connection management, making things more Pythonic.
I love that. So, what's the process if someone wants to get started using it?
They can install it via pip, but they should be cautious since it's still in public preview.
That makes sense. So it's intended for developers to test, but not for production just yet.
Exactly. It's an exciting time, but they should avoid using it in production environments until officially released.
That adds another layer of risk. What about the documentation? Is it easy to follow?
Absolutely. It provides getting started examples that are simple and straightforward.
That's always a plus. So, are there any known limitations people should be aware of?
Well, the evidence is mixed regarding its efficiency compared to other drivers, but it's evolving.
I'm curious about the community aspect too. Are contributions welcomed?
Yes, they encourage contributions and even have a contributor license agreement for that.
That's great for open source engagement. But how stable is the project currently?
Being in public preview, it's under active development, which can mean bugs or instability.
Got it, but that means potential new features and improvements, right?
Exactly, they're actively gathering feedback to refine the core functionalities.
So it's a bit like being a part of a beta testing team. Exciting but risky.
Totally, I think it's a great time to be testing and shaping something with such potential.
And the fact that it adheres to DB API2 means it's built on a solid foundation.
Exactly, it offers a consistent interface for Python applications, enhancing interoperability.
So if someone uses it now, they'll have a leg up when it matures.
For sure, they'll already be familiar with the quirks and advantages before the GA release.
And from what we've discussed, it seems the future looks promising for this driver.
Definitely, but it'll be important to keep an eye on updates as the project evolves.
Totally. It's like being on a roller coaster, right? Lots of potential for thrilling rides ahead.
Exactly, can't wait to see how it develops in the coming months.